everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I made a video. I'm so sorry. It's been a month. I'm homeschooling two of my children, so but it's gonna get easier. It was our first week, so. And here is the layering stencil set I use. It's called the Layered Scaredy Cat Stencil 1 and 2. Here are the inks that I'm using, and super fun. The only thing I change or add, I think, is using a darker black ink. So some mica spray stain, some paste there, Hammermill cardstock, my waffle flower mat, and I'm just going to be making a Halloween nighttime sky. I really like the purple and green together. I think it's fun. And I always love these layering stencils that Mary Kay creates. I always see them and I'm like, yes, I want that. I like using different inks together. And this month is all about Halloween or fall. So I hope you like all the inspiration you see, because it's amazing. And I'm always surprised too when I see other inspiration using the same stencil. So I would love to see what you create as well. So here I am using black soot and just ink blending around the cat. You get like a shadow from the cat, so I just want it to look more noticeable as I add more ink for my sky and my ground. So you'll see me going back and forth using the stencil, using different inks that I have here. And I will have to try making this card again with different inks. I think this is my first scary cat stencil. So, or I don't have too many. I don't think I even have a stamp like this, so that's why I thought it was really, really fun. And of course, no two cards are exactly alike that I make. So I do my best to make it look similar, but of course it is not the same. And my cards, well, of course the ink dries a little more later, so it will always look a little bit different as well. So I'm just ink blending my hill here, and I will add some darker green and lighter green. And then I really like this Distress ink. I can't even pronounce it, but you see there to the left. And then Clover. And almost done ink blending here for my ground. It's really easy. It doesn't take much time to get your scene here. I mean, it's pretty much just ink blending, and you get everything you need for the stencil from the stencils. So and if you are shopping stencils, use my code VonFan10 to save 10% off. And there is always a Master Creator bundle that you can get 20% off, and it's the whole release, which is amazing. So here are the bats and the eyes. The eyes fit perfectly on the cat there. And I go in with a darker black later, just because I felt when my black suit dried it was too light. And so cute. or should I say scary. So here is the paste. I think it's Snowfall. It's actually from last year as well, so I'll link it if I can. Some of these products get discontinued and then they come out with new ones all the time and then you can't link them. So here is my mica spray stain, bubbling cauldron, I believe, and I am just gonna flicker just a few drops there. It will dry as a like a green iridescent sparkle. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to use a scalloped rectangle die from Unity Stamps. I did go ahead and ink blend the top here. I thought it was too white. So, and my sentiment's going to go there anyways. So, and I'm just going to be adding some fun, well actually here's my sentiment, and it just says Happy Halloween, and this one is from Trinity Stamps, and the one I used for my first card, I'm not sure where it's from. I looked and have no idea where I got that sentiment. It says also Happy Halloween, but it's in lowercase, most of the letters. This one is capitals. I don't know. It says the same thing. So, and then I have foam strips to the back of the sentiment, and then I'm just going to add some fun confetti that was given to me. There is pumpkins, spiders, bats, I think there's skulls, so it's a fun mix, and I'm just going to use a spider and some bats for this card. And I hope you like my card today, my card video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and get notified when I make another video. And I will be back soon with another video. Hopefully, I really want to make another one. And hope you're doing well. And that is it. I will just show you my two cards here, and have a great day.